Can you see yourself in the 2014 Volkswagen Passat? With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Comfort and confidence are yours in this well-engineered Passat. From its smooth ride to its spacious seating to its exhilarating performance and advanced safety features, this athletic midsize sedan infuses every journey with delight. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Choose fun. Get behind the wheel of this spirited Passat. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.